Where do you see macro trends for shipping?
Sure, there's a thing for it.
It was a Friday morning in January at the University of North Texas, and some students were strolling to class, others were getting in some study time. But one group on campus had been especially productive. That morning, after Howie Mandel rang the opening bell on Wall Street, they had already made enough cash to fill a briefcase.
Here's what they've gained just today so far.
Inside this trading room at UNT,
And then we'll take operating income.
members of the Student Investment Group research and pick stocks.
Let's look at the oil pipelines. Microsoft still gets more revenue than them.
Yeah, but look at that growth rate there.
If a majority of the club votes in favor of a stock, they can buy it.
Yeah, we bought them at $333 and they're at $360 right now.
This isn't play money,
I actually didn't know at first that it was real money.
but it's not their money either. The funds were gifted to the university years ago specifically to teach investing to students.
Here's the list of what they hold.
With the money that was gifted, they started buying stocks.
I've learned a lot more in this group than I pretty much have in a lot of my classes.
It's really great for a real world experience.
That invaluable experience is open to anyone at UNT. This extracurricular club isn't just for the finance majors.
Yes, you may be a psychology major and not care about this at all, but do you think you're going to retire someday? And do you think you want to count on Social Security to be that retirement?
College of Business Dean Marilyn Wiley oversees the Student Investment Group.
Do you ever see suggestions in there that you think, I wouldn't do this, but okay.
Sure, I have.
They don't always choose winners.
It looks like they lose money hard on international.
Investing is hard. The dean can see the down days all the way from her upstairs office.
Okay, so your office is here,
Right here?
and so you'll step out here sometimes.
Yes, and I can look over the balcony and I can look at the reflection on the floor from the trading room ticker. If the floor looks red, I know it's a bad day for the market.
But more days than not, the floor has glowed mean green.
I wonder what the low range is.
A decade after students started with the original $207,000, it has grown to $595,000. And that's a big deal because the donor who started it all stipulated that when the fund reaches $1 million, it is to start paying out scholarships to UNT students who need financial aid and who are interested in investing careers.
Well, you want to be part of that legacy to be able to give to other people.
So, some future January morning, there may well be students who are able to afford to stroll to class or get in some study time here, all because of the investments being made by these students. In Denton, I'm Jason Wheeler.